May kailangan ka ba? Do you need anything? Wala naman, napadaan lang ako. Nothing, I just dropped by. Magkikita ba tayo ulit? Will we meet again? Siguro, hindi ako sigurado. Maybe, I'm not sure. Nakita mo ba ang damit ko? Did you see my clothes? Hindi ko nakita. I didn't see it. Gumagabi na. It's getting late. Kailangan na natin umuwi. We have to go home now. Nasaan na ba siya? Where is he? Ano sa tingin mo? What do you think? Sa tingin ko, maayos naman. I think it's fine. Pwedeng pakihinaan ang ingay? Can you keep the noise down? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Have a great day, everyone.